So we asked ourselves, why do we have to buy bottled water that comes from halfway around the world? Why can't there be a sustainable, easy way to make water at home? Everyone already has virtually unlimited water delivered directly to your home through your tap.
And that's why we teamed up with Lee to create the Roshan One.
It's an all-in-one smart device that filters, flavors, and carbonates your water straight from the tap, seamlessly integrating with your home, saving you time and money.
Whether you like your water fizzy, peach pear flavored, enhanced with electrolytes, or just fresh and clean, you'll be able to customize every glass to your preference.
Our patent-pending flavor pods are dishwasher safe. So no more plastic waste, just tons of convenience. Our sub-micron carbon block filter is environmentally friendly and filters out over 75 contaminants. That's 15 times more effective than those pitcher-based water filters.
The Roshan One is compatible with any cup or bottle, and it can be controlled from the device or an app, as well as through Google Home or Amazon Alexa.
Hey Google, make flavored water.
Flavored water coming right up.
And because it's smart, filters, pods, and CO2 replacement tanks can be automatically delivered to your door before you ever run out. On a good day, we want to bring you a smarter way to water. But on our most ambitious days, we want to help set something much bigger into motion. A chain reaction that starts with you. For us, for our oceans, and for our world 30 years from now.
Imagine reliving your memories inside a video so vivid, it feels like you're in a time travel sci-fi. You can pause, rewind, and even slow down every moment to discover every detail you might miss the first time. Fit 360 allows you to do just that, capturing your memories in a truly immersive fashion in a way you've never experienced. Hey Kickstarter, we're LinkFloat. Although the VR industry is burgeoning, conventional 360 cameras didn't provide the simplicity and accessibility down to a personal level to be widely accepted by users like you and I. Fit 360 addresses those problems for anyone to be able to capture their 360 experience in the simplest way possible. Simply wear it and record to capture your world in 360.
It had to fit everyone, aesthetically and physically. After creating several mock-ups in different sizes and printing them on over 500 people globally to create general net guides, we believe that we have made a product that is safe to say that Fit 360 is designed to fit everybody. We wanted to bring a new and innovative 360 video capturing experience. Our biggest challenge was to make it comfortable, unobtrusive, slim and light for you. We're bringing a design that's beautiful, intuitive, yet offers a totally new degree of flexibility to your recording experience.
We set out to build a company that will revolutionize the way we interact with the past. We have assembled a team to solve one of the most difficult engineering challenges in wearable optical technology. And finally, we are ready to bring Fit 360 to the world. Join us and help shape the future of wearable 360 cameras.
Join us! Woo!
Time. We share it, cherish it, lose track of it, waste it, fear it, curse it. There's never enough of it. The definitive point of reference since the dawn of time. What is the time? Where am I within the progress of the day? We get caught up in time, worry about the seconds whizzing by, the minutes we have left to wait, the hours we've lost. The horizon displays your day, all 24 hours of it in full. The light hours, the dark hours, the horizon, between day and night.
Breathing. It's great. It feels so good. If you're watching this video, you're probably breathing right now. You know what's not great? Congestion. Not breathing properly hurts. Look at this guy holding his eyes. He's trying to tell you that he's congested and aches all over. We even added circles behind him to emphasize his pain. Good job, circles. If you suffer from congestion, you have two options. Stop breathing, which is not really an option, or use a steam device. Yes, those blender-looking things. They're big. Too big to carry everywhere and maintain a constant treatment. Meet Avia, a steam device with two main advantages. It uses nanoparticles for the most effective sinus allergy and congestion treatment, and it's portable. What's nano steam? It's steam downsized to the smallest particles possible. While a typical steam inhaler produces thick particles of steam that cannot penetrate through the walls of the nose into the sinuses, Avia's nanoparticles are less than 5 microns. These microparticles can easily penetrate beyond the nasal walls and into the sinus cavities, clearing everything that stops you from getting your best breathing. In just 10 minutes, you'll be breathing clearly. All you need to do is add saline adjust the temperature, and then place the nozzle under your nose. Here's the guy from before, after he used Avia. Now he's showing you that he's breathing great. No circles around him now. Thanks to Avia's adjustable temperature controls, if you feel your steam needs to be warmer, then, well, just adjust it. And since Avia is small enough to fit any bag, and it's also chargeable, you can take it and use it anywhere. Breathe clearly in the office, in the park, breathe as you bike. Yeah, you can go back to doing sports, because Avia is light enough to carry anywhere. Besides clearing congestion, Avia can be used orally to humidify the vocal cords, dampen a dry throat, or just improve breathing in general. Oh look, a surfer guy. He doesn't have any congestion, just wants to breathe better. Avia is created by Aura Medical, a long-standing company in the field of respiratory devices. In its essence, Avia is patent-pending tech created with the components of an already working system, but measured down to a portable, easy-to-use, all-around perfect device. So if you too feel that better breathing can improve your life, get Avia.
All right. 3, 2, 1.
Hey there, I'm Belle, the AI home assistant. How can I serve you?
Hi, I'm here for a package delivery.
Yeah, it's Anna. I'm here to clean today.
Yeah, hello. I'm Brian. I'm here to pick up Kristen for the school prom.
NetView Bell communicates with your callers, giving dynamic and bespoke responses. It can even open a door for your scheduled appointments.
Hi, Brian. I'll be down in a second.
Visitors can also leave a message when you can't be reached.
Oh, hi. I just moved here. You could drop by when you're free.
Hi, Brian. Happy Halloween. Are you here for Kristen again?
And can welcome guests on their next visit.
Let's go.
HD Camera and Night Vision offers live camera and motion detection straight to your phone 24/7, keeping you safe and capturing those special moments in a family's life. NetView Bell, working for your family. Home security done smart.